All right, I think we are back. Let's see. I will need to fix some things. Just a second, I will need to yeah, there's a new URL. All right, this was just entering some stuff in the old chat because yeah, the stream wasn't working. So that's pretty lame. Let me check if everything is working now. This is so annoying. Let's see. We are live in this one now. All right, so we're back. Okay, we are back. So the other stream just broke, so I had just to do a new one and to start. So I'll just give a small recap what we just did. We are building a tool for a digital agency. That was this comment from one of the viewers that's doing a lot of manual work. So what we are going to do is to take the first part and start building for him. So I already have this crypto workflow that I'm building, and I can use a lot of nodes from this one in the digital marketing. So what we just did was we connected this form node to generate form where we can enter a URL, and then it will start scraping the entered URL to give all the websites that we want. So what do we want? What about the home, the services, the blog, and the products. And then we can take screenshots of all those pages. What we are doing here is we have a schedule trigger node. And let me just check, because I have posted some links to some, let's see, over here. That's not what we need. Let's see, okay. And we're using here a query. So what we could do is add a form again and send in the query, but for now we're just entered the query and we are using the new Firecrawl search like Google. So we just did it. So let's see what the costs were for this, or is it on a different API? So I'm not sure. I don't think so, but let's see if it will load. Pretty slow, come on. Let's check. Okay, so it's still loading, but what we have here is with this new API endpoint from Firecrawl, we can take screenshots immediately of the whole website and the search query. So what we can do now is we have searches for example, if you're a digital agency and you want to target a website, you could use their URL to search for it, or you can add, like I did, cursor in here and search for cursor. So this is the screenshot of the homepage. this is the markdown of the page, so this will be easier to read. I can even do something like this, set field, and then do something like this, website URL, and drag this in it, so we can easily use the whole markdown content home. Let's do markdown content URL. We can use the whole scrolling too fast, like this, screenshot what we just did with Firecrawl, so we can use the data easier. Let's see what else we could use. No, title, this okay, this is a blog post about cursor. So this is just a blog post. This is the second result that we got. Then we have Mozilla about it, and eventually easy cucumber. Okay, so for now this is the data that we want, so let's delete this one, because what we are going to do now, we grabbed the first item in the list, is that we are going to extract from this URL the data that we need. So what we can do is copy this one and do something like this, and delete it, this, do the website URL in it, and yeah, map a website and get URL. Submit a crawl job with web or crawl your WebSocket. And what I want is to do something like this: playground, crawl, or map. Let's see. I want to crawl. Get code. How is this? It's the crawl endpoint. Yeah, okay. That's why it didn't work. So if we do something like this, we could crawl. Okay. Just use the custom body. And then do for the let me copy something over here and try it like this. Okay, let's delete this one. And over here as well. And then let me grab that URL in it. So annoying that sometimes it doesn't pick up the thing you drag. Let's see, that just curious if this will work. Then we will need a wait node for a couple of seconds. Let's do 5 seconds wait node, and then we will need to have a get node to have one prepped over here. No, I have not. P request. Generic header and I need Firecrawl. I think this will work. Oh, was that another IP? Which am I using over here? Yeah, I'm using different credentials. I have two credentials in my Firecrawl, in my n8n environment, so I just did two different credentials. But if we are using that, then we should be able to build something like this, and then let me just grab it from a different workflow that we used. Is it here? I think it is. Use a Firecrawl. This one, no, that's not. Okay. So we're using extract over here. We just don't use this for now and do it with this one. Connect it to here. Grab the body we're using and do it like this, and then change this to, this was crawl. Let's try it again. Input, wait for 5 seconds, then get the results. Let's see if, yeah, it's done. It's done. So let's see what we got. Markdown, scraping. Let's see. It just scraped the home page. It did, right? Yeah, it did. Okay, so I think what we just tried to do, the first one will be better. So we will use the first one and try to optimize it. So we are going to use as an input a website URL and not this whole workflow. So this is good, but this should this is just extra. So if you want as an agency to search for a particular website and a query, you could use these steps. But for now, we're just going with the website form. So what we are going to do in here, we're going to disconnect these because we are going to add an agent. I've noticed that a lot of times some people will use a function node to achieve results, but more often it's just better to just use an agent. Just grab an agent and use that. Because if you go to Anthropic, what was it? Anthropic dashboard, something like this, generate a prompt, we can just describe what we want. It must pick from a list of URLs the main pages of that website. I need the AI agent to extract from all the URLs these main pages. So we needed the home page, the about page, the product, the services, and the contact. Do we use, no, we're not using think for now. So let's just generate a system prompt for our agent. We are going to add system prompt. Let's just run it for a second. Okay, what was the issue? Okay. Okay, so this, let's just edit for a second so it won't be empty. Then we can just run it and we will, oh, I'll need to fill in a URL, HTTPS, cursor, ai.nl. Okay, the form is submitted, so it's running. So, okay, what we are going to give the agent is the homepage URL. Look, nice. All right, and then this is the whole prompt. So let's turn it to an expression. URL list. So links we can do. Yeah, look, this is just home. Okay, nice. So we are using OpenRouter for this, and let's check the cost of this specific use case, because people are always curious what the cost will be. So these are the logs, what's the output. Main page is this, about page, the product is empty, the service is this, the contact page is this. Nice. So when we do something like JSON, is the output. I like, so let's add structured output. Let's make some, this is the, just like this. This is mine. Okay, so let's try it with this structured output. Make it JSON, so it has to be JSON. Try again. So let's try it again. So now JSON. Let's just try the agent output again. Nah, this is better. Look, so this is much better. So if there was a product page, it would be listed over here. So let's test that out. Let's go to cursor. Do they have a product page? Not even sure. Yeah. Oh yeah. I'm not sure if I could collab, man. I'm a bit tired, so I want to keep this stream short. The previous stream broke up, so I had to start a new one. The screen froze, so maybe next time, man. Okay, so we are going to continue with this. What we are going to do is to grab a screenshot. No, this was what I need. So scrape home, source blog page, and write personalized email copies which include tips about it. Okay, so we will have to scrape the pages as well, not just a screenshot, but we have to scrape them as well. So for now, let's see. This is a specific screenshot output. Yeah, we could use just considering a couple of options. Scrape your get content. just thinking about if I would use the Firecrawl node, Markdown, or I will use a different kind of node. So let me just check if this will be good enough. So let's enter the main page. If this will work, or I need to use these. Just checking something, because we will need to scrape the markdown of the page so we can personalize the email. Okay, so markdown is done. Let me check the screenshot. Okay, the screenshot is done as well, but it's only of the first part. And it's the HTML. Okay. Yeah, we could use our, let me check. Where is it? Is this one? It's all screenshot. Yeah, we could use our endpoint to crawl with crawl for AI. Let me grab my my endpoint for it. Crawl md. It's md, okay, and I want to crawl. It's crawl, okay. Okay, so let me grab this one and try to figure it out. So what we will need is this endpoint, and we will enter something like this. We will do the about page with crawl for AI. Let's see what happened. Okay. Yeah, okay. Let me check. Let me just try something like this. No, not that. Let me grab that. And let's see if I do it. And import Firecrawl, import. Okay, so let's go with this URL. Oh my god, man, this is so annoying. But we will fix it. So I'm not sure if this will work like this. Let's execute it. Nice. So we got the HTML, we got, what do we got? Images in a separate. Do we have all images? So internal links. Oh, that's pretty cool. The internal links. So we could, if you're running a digital agency, advise about okay, and there's the markdown. Nice. So this is a really, really good scrape. Okay, so we are crawl. The only thing that's missing from this one, and could we add it? No, we will need to use the different endpoint to take the screenshot. I think, yeah. Yeah, we will need to do it, but I like this scrape a lot. I like it, yeah, I like it really. Yeah, this is pretty good because we can use this as input to create a personalized email. So let's continue. So we just took the screenshot. Maybe it's good to do something like this. First, get the data, then get the screenshot, so we can get the data of the websites. So let's see if I can do something like this to grab web params. Something like this, comma, and the main page as well. Will this work? 2 pages. Could take a while. URLs. This didn't work. So we got the same data. So we will have to do something like this to use. Let's see. Because this is the about us. Yeah, not really a fan of copying like this and then making this the home, because yeah, feels a bit like bad practice. But let's just try to see what the result will be when we run it. So let's see. Oh, we have to enter URL. Cursor. So I got a form, I entered the URL, and now it's running. So let's see what will happen. Oh my God, did the stream freeze again? Did the stream freeze again? Is for real? Okay, yeah, I think the stream froze again. Yeah. I'm not sure what the issue is. I'm really sorry. It is really, really annoying. It is so annoying. Yeah, I can't help it. Yeah. The stream froze again. So let me just try to fix it. Let me just try to fix it really quick. And we are back, I think. Let me check something. Are we back? Is this moving again? Let's see. Okay. Not sure. Yeah, nice. And we're back. All right. Okay, so let's save it. What we just did, we scraped the home page and we scraped the about page. So let's connect another one. So we're first scraping, then we are going to save. The only problem you could face with this way of scraping, if you are targeting e-commerce store, yeah, you could get in trouble because you could get blocked, especially if they have a lot of products. But yeah, that's something you have to reconsider. If you are just targeting a specific niche, then just try to do it like this. And if the niche isn't e-commerce, then this will work just fine. Crawl for AI self-hosted it. Check the channel for if you are interested in self-hosting. Let me see where the video is. Yeah, it's over here, this video. And let me check. Yeah, these two videos, these are all about self-hosting your n8n with Cockero. And recently made a new video where I tested Cockero TTS with a lot of very long voiceover text. So let's fix this URL to services. This is it. Okay, and then this one is the contact page. Okay, it's like this. Okay, so let's run it again. Okay, submit it. All right, let's see. It's running again. Yeah, I got a couple of problems with the stream. It's freezing. The screen is frozen sometimes. So, but let's continue and don't make it any longer. So what we just did, we created a form where we entered our website URL. Then we scraped the URL, got mapped the website and got all the URLs. Then we fed the URL to an agent where we are interested in the home, the about, the product pages, the services and the contact pages. The agent is built like this. We're using GPT 4.0 and the costs are for each call. Okay, this I'm not even sure how to pronounce this, but it's really low. So we are using a structured output to make sure that all the URLs are parsed like this. And now we scraped all the content from the pages with Crawl for AI. If you're not familiar with Crawl for AI, it's a self-hosted open source. Oh, is this not working? Oh, it's working. Okay. Open source LLM friendly web crawler. You can just install this on your self-hosted n8n instance and get free crawling and scraping. So this is the result. It's pretty cool because you get all the images in a separated array and eventually the markdown and the whole website. So what we are going to create now is a Google spreadsheet because we are going to save the data. What do we need? We need the website URL. We need website URL. Let's do the name or title. Do we get the title of the website? URL. Shall we append the images as well? Let me think about it, because the first thing that we could do is, if the alt text of the image is empty, that could be a point that we are bringing up in the agency report that we are going to create. So this is a good thing to remember. Let me just take a note here. The alt is empty. first point to mention agency report. Yeah, you have to have a little bit knowledge about what and how to score the websites that you are scraping. So this is just one thing that we could use for now. Let me just check the data. These are all the images of the scraped page with Crawl4AI. Internal links, yeah, of course, internal links. So alt text, internal links. Links are pointing to a HTTP URL or not there. That's something. And of course, one more thing, when there aren't any external links, or empty. Yep, don't be afraid to enter some external links into your website. Okay, so that's are a couple of things that we could images, alt text, internal links, external links. What could we do? Any advice? What's in the chat? What we could do more? Maybe something like rate the website. So screenshot, eventually screenshot and rating website. So the rating for the website will be done by an AI agent. That's something I already built. I will show you the workflow. Let me grab it for a second. This workflow where personal admin. So this is a lead generating workflow, and this workflow is built to grab the screenshots, limit it to 1, download the screenshot, analyze the image, and add a rating to the sheet. So this is what we are going to do with the digital agency workflow. Let me just move these one to the left, so we're building to the right side. Okay, then, because we didn't take any screenshots, the next thing is that we are going to add it to the Google spreadsheet. Let's see, append or update row. Okay, this one. Let me save this digital agency. All right, so for now, let's keep it pretty simple. And digital agency, first sheet, and all the columns. We're going to map the URLs, use the website URLs to map it. The name, oh wait, I need to add HTML, Markdown, HTML. Just for now, I need to update the columns. So name, URL, images. Let me see, the images are over. Yeah, cleaned HTML. This is the HTML. Yeah, I want the cleaned HTML. Let's grab the cleaned HTML. Then the images. Let's see if the images, how they will be. Okay, they're all arrays. I'm not sure if this will work. I'm not sure. So let's just test it. The alt text. Yeah, because this is just one. And with the images, it's the alt text there. Data alt. Okay, yeah, okay. Just to remove this for a second, because we could just add an AI agent that's checking if there is alt text or not. That's what we'll do in a moment. Let me grab the internal links, external links. Those are somewhere over here. Let's see, there are a lot of images here. Let's see the videos, audios, links, internal links, okay. External links, where are they? And the external links. Okay, this is the name, the metadata. So the title, we could use that for now. And then let's see what is left. The markdown. We just need the markdown. Markdown, where is it? Over here. The raw markdown. Or we could use the markdown with citations. Let's check what's better. Okay, let's do the raw markdown for now. No, let's do the citations because I think that will perform better. So let's I'm not sure if we can append an array. Oh, it's done. Okay, that's pretty cool. Let's see. Okay, we will have to adjust the row a bit because that's not what we want. Oh my god, I have to adjust this one. Yeah, I'm not that great with okay, now it's possible. Okay, nice. Okay, this is what we want. So for now, let's do it like this. Okay, great. So we got the URL, we got the name, we got the images like this. Yeah, this is pretty good because with images like this, we could just leave out the alt text column. For now, I will just leave it in, but we got the internal links, the external links, and we're going to take the screenshots now because we are, let me grab this too. It's all self-hosted, so we are using Crawl for AI, but we are self-hosting it. So this is not costing a thing. So website URL. And take the screenshot, save. Oh, I think I have to pin some notes because this will break. I'm not sure this will work. It's a big file again, thinking. Yeah, 33 MBs. So let's execute it. Let's see. And no, it's not working. So let's, is this, okay, we can just execute and let's see the result. What we are going to do is, this is the screenshot we just took. We are going to upload the screenshot to our Google Drive. We are going to keep upload file over here. Data file name. For the file name, we are going to use the website URL. Yeah, I will need to create a new Google Drive. Just creating a new folder where we are going to put the screenshots in. Let me add a new folder. Digital agency. Okay, that folder is created. So let me get back to my workflow and my drive. So over here, execute the step. Yeah, no, okay. Can I pin it? Okay. Yeah, because we will have to rerun the whole workflow again to make sure the. Okay, so the file is uploaded. So I think maybe go to this URL, not this one. Let me check, because we can see the screenshot like this, but for now this is okay, because when we're going to work with the agent, we can just pull the image from our Google Drive. So this is the whole oh wait, let me just add it to the Google Sheet like this, and then grab the digital agency. First one, we're going to use the website, right? We did the website, and then we are going to upload screenshot URL. Execute the step. Let's do it again. And this, you will see this will get, the screenshot will be added to the row. It's still running. Oh, wait. Yeah, it's already, oh wait, yeah. Forgot to set this to website. Let me try to pin this. No, I can't. Okay, I have to just rerun it again. Yeah, we are self-hosting Crawl for AI, so this won't cost a thing. So, as you can see, we are building. Now, let's see if the screenshot will be over here. Look, and the screenshot is in our. Yeah, okay, I'm on a different account, but as you can see, here's this screenshot. Like this. For now, the next thing that we are going to do, let me grab mine, 2 nodes like this and connect them. This is we're using a Grok 2 Vision, and what we are going to do, let me just go to Anthropic, generate a prompt. This is our task. Did we use a think? No, that's not a think model. And generate a prompt for this one. Let's see what we will get. If the prompt can even get any better. It's still going, okay. And then let's update this one. We're going to use the digital agency. Map the columns like this, and then why isn't it updating? It has to update because, yeah, okay, now it is. So, okay, and we are going to match the website URL just like we did here. The name will be fine. Expression, and we will eventually output. Let's see if the prompt's ready. Nice. That's pretty cool. Okay. So let's do something like this. And let's see the prompt screenshot. Yeah, we are going to use the binary data, I think. How did we do it in this one? I download. Okay. So we downloaded the file. Drive, download a file. How did I use? Oh, the name, okay. So I think we used this one. Now by ID. Yeah, we could, because we upload it just like this. So we can just do by ID. Execute step. Okay, oh wait, let me just adjust a couple of things. Download file. Okay, then go to the final step. So this was add screenshot. Okay, save, execute all step, and let's see if the agent will analyze with this new prompt the whole workflow. So let's check what we will get, and the screen froze again. Let me just fix it really quick so you can just keep watching. It will, okay. Oh yeah, I forgot something over here. Is the screen still frozen? Oh yeah, no, okay, it's already working. Okay, nice. Okay, I forgot something to fix. Forgot to fix it in here. So the screenshot is not a URL, but it's data. So binary data. Yeah, all other nodes are working. So let's see what output will be. Oh, okay. Let's execute. Yeah, we pinned all these nodes, so this won't make any new API calls. The only thing it will, we're self-hosting the crawl for AI, so that's not a big issue. I can't pin it. I can pin this, but that's not what we want. So what's okay, so it's returned an error. So let's see what the error is. In this workflow everything is working. Let's check it, how we are. Maybe it's the prompt. That could be an issue. Okay, this is okay. I think this is done as well. So for now, let's close it. Let me see if there's a successful run, so I can show it to you that it's working. Previously, somewhere here. No, it's already done. It's already done. Okay, it's done. So let's see how far I can go back and that's nice. There's an error over there. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Let's try Vision and try a different one. Let's do Llama. Try if Llama will do it. Let's go. Try it again. In the previous, I used Grok Vision. So let me see Vision. As you can see over here, Grok Vision. Yeah, it's running constantly. I'm not sure why it's not doing it right now. It did not change, right? No, it's 12. Okay, so it's doing it now with the Llama Vision. So let's see what the output will be. I'm not really a fan of Llama Vision, but yeah, it's okay. what did it just do? Okay, I'm not sure what it, let me just convert the data. I'm not sure what it did. I'm not sure what it did, but let's see. Table data. Llama Vision, what are you doing? The prompt is not that great, I think. We will need to change the prompt back to the other prompt we had. So let's see what will be the output now, because I think the output should be just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stars, and not binary data. So that's just a bit strange. So let's see what the output will be. Yeah, the value is not set, but oh, okay. Okay, it can't process the image. So let's see why it can't, because maybe it's too big. Okay, let's see. Maybe it's too big. Let's try 4.0 mini. Execute. Okay, so okay. Let's do 4.0. Yeah, 4.0 is a bit expensive for this, but if you are running an agency, yeah, this something you can just do, especially if you are doing it for a client. Just like I'm trying to make it work. Let's see, the files are pretty big, so convert. Not even sure. Convert kit. I'm not sure if there is a way to compression files. I don't want to compress it like this. I want to crop an image. That's something we could do, because if we do something like this, I remove it and data width, height, we could do something like let's just test it, what the result will be. Let's just crop the image to see if it will be a bit shorter and smaller in size, and then try to use the vision model again. Yes. Okay, that worked, but Okay. So we could resize it, but that's not what we want. Create a new image width. Cropped image. I'm just looking for something how we could fix this, because I didn't have this. Could we send a URL? Do something like, let me just check something. BB image upload. I think I got an account on here. Let me check if I have an account. Let me check. I think I've got an account and we could upload the images to that. I got one, so just for now, I'm going to check, because I have an API key here as well. I'm not sure, but let's see. No, API over here. Yeah, okay guys, nice. What we could do is get an HTTP request with where is it? Upload post, and then I have my API key. Okay, the max size is 32 megabits. So that is something to check. Key required. Let me just import a Firecrawl because this is okay. Let me get the API key. I'll just delete it after the stream. Post expiration 600. Image will be image is data. I think we have to set. Let me check if this will work, because okay, let me see. I need to upload the image and try to send the URL to the API to see if that will work better. But for now, go to, okay, this is not, yeah. Do I have another way to do it? Yeah, I could do it to temp files just for, let me just do it like this. We don't need headers. We don't need authentication. We only need form data, name data, binary file data, execute step. We could try, let me check something. I need this URL. Yeah, no, I need to use this URL. Okay, let's run it again. And then we will have a temp file URL. I think this will work. I try to, what you have to, what you have to remember is the temporary file will just, I think they've had it. Oh, is there a maximum size? Is there a I'm not sure what the maximum size is to temp file. Anyone who knows it can post it in chat. All the files will be deleted after 60 minutes. So yeah, that's something to reconsider. Data is the name. It's really strange, this isn't working. That's a bit of a problem. Here's the file. Maybe uploading to Google Drive is a bit of because let me see if I can open up the Google Drive. Just checking something if I can open up the file so I can see the URL. Digital agency. Okay, there are a lot of stuff. Okay, so just checking something I need to. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, I have to sign in. And when I do something like this, okay, I have to sign in. And when I do, yeah, I'm just checking something. Everybody. Yeah, okay, now it's working. Okay. Let's see if this will work. See if we just close all these. I just try to oh wait, URLs. Oh wait. Binary file. What am I doing? It is a long day, so I don't need it because we are sending a binary file to it, and that is data. So this file is what we are sending. So this should, oh, where's my, oh wait, it's still off. Execute the workflow. We are downloading the file. Hi Melting, welcome to the chat and the stream. What do you think about this workflow? I think the file is too big, and that's why we are getting the errors. Yeah. I think the file is too big, and that's why. Let me refresh for a second. That's why we are getting the errors, but let's see if we can do something else. Yeah, I got this working with OpenAI and Grok Vision. Let me just check how big these files were. At the rating, where's that sheet? This one. Let's see how big these files were. Yeah, these are also big files. Let me just download it. Oh no, these are what's. No, these are smaller. Why is that so big? So let's see. Just checking in a different workflow where I scraped these. Oh, did I? No, for real? Did I use Browserless? Yeah, that's another option I have. I have also indeed the option to take the screenshot with Browserless. Okay, so let's do that. Do we need take the screenshot, and then the output is okay, so that's just a URL, I think, so we won't need that one as well. I'm just checking why we could, of course, adjust these settings a bit to make the file a bit smaller. But just checking if success, this one like this. The URL is not this, but this is the URL we want the screenshot of. Execute the step. So let's see, it's done. Let me see if this is some PNG file. This is much better. This is much better. Okay. Okay, nice. So let me check something. I need to see why the screenshot of Crawl4AI is so big. Where's my... Going to check why the screenshot of Crawl4AI is so big. That's not what we want. So I talked about the new way to just a sec. Grabbing some data. I talked about, where is it? Was this it? Yeah. Talked about video-based AI memory. I'm not able to fix this tonight as well, but this is going to be for the stream tomorrow. What we are going to build is a tool, because we are self-hosted n8n, where we are utilizing this way of generating memory for our AI agent. I'll post it into chat, so if you're interested, you could just read up about it. Memfit. We won't need any database, and what we are going to build is one workflow where we are going to feed data to the knowledge base, and one workflow where we can retrieve the data with our agent. So that's for tomorrow stream. So let's see, where is the workflow? Over here. So browserless, that's also self-hosted over here, just like this. We just took the screenshot with browserless self-hosted. So this is also not costing a thing for us. So let me try a different. We don't need to send headers. Let me just check if when we do it like this, let me disable this. I'm just curious because I like crawl for AI. I just like it more to take screenshots and use it like that. What did I do? URL. Okay, so the body is not accepted. Screenshot true, PDF false. Yeah, we're using a browser config. Let's see. Oh wait, I'm using the wrong URL. I need that one. Okay, let's see what the result will be. Okay, so this is, oh god. Let's see how big. Oh, that's nice. Okay, let's try it with one of the URLs from our. This is better. Execute it again. Let's see how big the file now is. Oh, let me just post the crawl for AI documentation as well in the chat. Yeah. Okay, it's still 26 megabits. Now, I think for this automation, we will have to use browserless, because full page through. Let me compare the output. I think the output was the same, right? This, okay. Now do it again with Browserless. Execute the whole workflow. Let me just do it something like this. Okay, and see the result. The bottom. Oh, I see what the difference is. This is a smaller view. So this is like an iPad screen, and this is a full screen. Let me. Yeah, I think I will go with this one because this is just better. So we got the data like that. So what we can do is change the name. Nah, don't change the name. Let's just keep it for now. Then we don't need this. We will need to add the screenshot. Let's see if we can add it like that. Website URL and then data. Not really sure if this will work. Oh no, wait. The name was what was the name was screenshot. I don't think this will work, but let me just try it because we can't. No, let's see, it's not working. Okay, then we will need to upload it. Do we need to? No, we don't need to add the screenshot now. And we don't need to do this one as well. We could just send the name of the file like this and try to execute the step. Let's see if the agent will rate. Nice. Look at that. This is what we want. Okay, this is pretty cool. So we will need the name to use it as a, and then we will need the agent to add his rating. And now add the rating of the agent. Oh, wait, what just happened? Yeah, we did that. Why is it giving this error? Because we have it. Okay, nice. So we go to the sheet and then this is the rating we just got. Overall score, it's a pretty good website. Nice. So this is something we could use in our presentation with the question of the viewer. So we scraped home, about us, products and services, the blog pages. We rated the website with an agent. We still have some tasks left, but that will be for a different stream. Eventually, what you can do for now is just, because the first one is working, do something like this, and then take these notes and just do it like this. You will have to change because you are using the About Us page over here, and we are going to use the, Let me see this one. Home page, okay. This one in here. And let's see. So you have to change all these to make it work. And of course over here as well, but we can just do it step for step. Because that's working, we can pin all the data and continue. Let's deactivate these two. Let's go. Okay, so this is pinned. That's not what we want. Which is okay, it's about a set. Okay, that's no problem. For now we can just check what. Okay, this is the main page. We scraped it, then we will have to add the, it's not good, so we can't match it. So like that. Images, have to check. Okay, is this correct like this? Images 0. No, look, we have to do it like this. Remove it over here. And same is for the name. Let me just do it like this. Internal. I think we will add the 0 because it's the second item. External. And then close it. Links. Title, we will have to change the name over here. Markdown as well. Okay, that's the whole thing. Response headers, and we did markdown with citations. And then the HTML with the cleaned HTML. Where is it? Okay, we don't have the cleaned HTML over here, so let's see if I am HTML. No, okay, no HTML. Okay, for now that's okay. We have to execute this step again and have to check because, yeah, that's what I thought. Now we have the, let me just do it like this, and because then I can make the rows a bit smaller. Alright, okay, so we did about us and now we did the home page. Let's go back to the workflow and let's just take a screenshot of this page. So this is the home page. Let's execute the step. Let's view it. So this is the home page of this website. Then we are going to get a rating of this agent with vision. The last API call was almost, yeah, look, this is 1 cent. So to rate the website, it's just 1 cent. If you're curious and you would like to check out the skill community where you can ask all your questions, download almost 30 templates. Check out the link. I'll just post it. All kinds of templates. Google Maps lead generator. We have a knowledge base where you can check all the credentials. A special outreach tool. So if you would like to outreach, 4 steps: scrape the email addresses, rate the websites, send them an email. It's all possible. And a lot of guides how to self-host your n8n browserless setup, Crawl for AI setup, everything in the school community. Check out the link in the chat. Let's see if the agent is done. So let's check this out, and this is correct rating. So correct. Let's see what the rating was. It's a rating of 4. So so this is the rating of the agent of the homepage. So that's pretty cool. Web's the future, modern, clean layout with professional color scheme. Score 4, user experience score 4, and eventually 4. So this is something you could definitely use inside your presentation and the way you are sending the customer the emails. So this is the homepage. So let's just a couple of things over here. Homepage. Okay. We scraped the homepage and took a screenshot. So, and for now we can just copy them all and add them to this. Oh, this one we can delete. And this is the services page. Hi, Jens. How can I help you? We will have to pin these nodes so they won't run again. Save it. Let's execute this and let's I am pretty experienced with coding, and I'm a full stack Python developer, and started I think almost a year ago with n8n, but I think how easy it is to start something small like this with just a question of a viewer, and to be able in how long, 90 minutes that we are streaming, to build some system like this where we are using a form where the user can input website URL, then the website URL will be scraped and extracted, where we get all the URLs we want, and eventually an AI agent will identify these pages from the URLs and output it with structured data like this. I will show it, and then we will scrape and crawl the About Us page. We will add the data to the Google Sheet, and then we will take a screenshot from with Browserless, and then an AI agent will analyze the screenshot and output a rating. These are a couple of steps that we will need to check for, because eventually we are creating this for this user that mentioned it below a video of us, and he is doing all this manually. So you can look up this video, and if you have any questions or you're looking for a workflow, just comment below a video, and I will start building it for you. live on YouTube. So you can just follow along or look back and repeat the whole process. Something to mention, I have n8n self-hosted. Self-hosting is pretty cool because you can just add services like Kokoro, text-to-speech. I made a video about it recently where I tested Kokoro with, let me just close it. This video, if you're interested, I will paste it in chat. You can see Kokoro in action with very long voiceover text, almost 2000 words, and that's just self-hosted. That won't cost a thing. A couple of more videos about Crawl for AI, how to set it up, and of course you can join the school community. YouTube transcribe, a whole tutorial how to set it up. Let me go back to the workflow because we need to adjust a couple of notes. Let's see. Of course, it is possible to do this without any knowledge about coding. As you can see, there are none. This is a function node, and for this you will need some code. So you will need some JavaScript or some Python. In this whole workflow, I haven't coded anything. As you can see, these are all this is a HTTP request. So if you go to this node HTTP, you can just enter it. Let me just delete it. Google Sheet. The only thing that's annoying with n8n, because if you look to this workflow, this could be really overwhelming. I have another one. This is a crypto workflow that I'm building. And this is just phase one. Building a template starts with collecting data. So that's what I did over here. I'm just collecting data, different data points, and it looks a bit messy, but eventually you will see that this will, I will try to create some streamlining in the nodes and create a pipeline in a different way. But for now, I just want to collect data because, I'm not a digital marketer. So if I'm building this for someone else, good that you mentioned it. Yeah, sometimes the screen freezes, but I will just try to fix it again. Okay, good that you mentioned it, but sometimes the screen freezes, but I think it's back now. Let's give it a couple of seconds. And it's always good to have notes like these and save them. These are all, especially in this crypto workflow, I just copy and paste. So notes like these whole blocks, I just move them around and save them. As you can see, these nodes are reused over here and over here and over here. So yeah, that's one thing to keep in mind. I will just show you something else. Mohammed, I got some great news for you, man. What you could do is, let me check where it is. Let me see. Okay, over here. Look, if you go to n8n and you apply for, let me grab it for you. And if you grab an account, you can use this discount code to get 50% off. So you will have 14 days free, and eventually you will get 50% off on your n8n. let me just grab. So if you want that, you can grab that. And of course, you don't need a cloud subscription, because a cloud subscription is almost, in my region it's 24 euros a month. But if you let's see where that video is, somewhere here. I think this, no, not that one. Or didn't I make the video yet? No, but what I could do, ManyChat, let me check it, man. I don't know what it is. ManyChat. What do you use it for, ManyChat? Okay, let's adjust this one. You'll have to grab the services URL and add it over here. And let's start and scrape that one. And then services, we will have to adjust the name URL. Services, good. Just do a schema, cleaned HTML over there, cleaned HTML, and we will need the images. Like this. Name, images, internal links, external links, external. Let's see if this will be the same. Yeah, okay, it's the same data point. And then the markdown. Where's the markdown? Markdown with citations. Okay, nice. This is services. Okay, so now we are going to take the screenshot of the services page. Okay, there it is. Screenshot is taken, and rate services page. Yeah, I'm using OpenRouter for the vision model. Yeah, because you can just choose about so many different models. Yeah, the nice thing about OpenRouter, you even have some free models that you can choose from. But I don't think there are free vision models. Oh, there is a free one. Let's try. Oh, okay. This is the paid model output. So I can't paste it in chat. Okay, we have to. Let me just do it like this. Will this work, or I change something? Okay, it will rerun again. So let's see. No, it won't work. So you could even try the free model, but it's heavy rate limited. So no, it's not working. So let's move back to let's see, 4.0 mini and try to do it with 4.0 mini. you can see the differences in cost. So Grok Vision and 4o Mini, yeah, it's half the cost, but the result is the same, I think. And yeah, not that really a big of a difference. So let's adjust this one again, make it a bit smaller so we can see the result. This one also. And the rating, here's the rating that the agent just did. Overall score 4. The web is well designed and functional with minor issues impacting its overall polish. So this was 4o Mini and this is Grok Vision. So this is the differences. Okay, let's see. Yeah, if you have any other questions, just let me know in the chat and I will try to assist you. Okay, so I'll keep that for now. 4o testing, the workflow is part of the job. Let's check. Man, I made a workflow to extract a random video from a specific account. Now it didn't matter more. Similar caption posted automatically every day at 8 AM. Repost same video twice. I'm curious how you would do that. Yeah, are you using Epify for that? That service, what is Epify? Are you using Epify for it? TikTok scraper? I think you are. Really curious because these kind of services are really holding me back to do these kind of automations. What I'm doing is I'm trying to keep the cost as low as possible. Yeah. But and how much are you paying for the service? Paying per event? I got an account over here, so yeah. What I'm doing is let me see, where is the workflow? I'm doing the same thing as you, but with YouTube. This is my workflow, yeah, Epify is king in that service because they offer very that kind of downloads indeed. Let me check extract random video from a specific. Yeah, and the random video, is that based on the views or the likes? What are your parameters to download the video? So this is what I'm doing with YouTube. I'm collecting videos from a really popular YouTuber and grabbing his last videos, adding his videos to a Google spreadsheet. Then this node is checking if the video that I sent to my Telegram chat already exists in the spreadsheet. If it exists, I get another message and with that says the video, or there are no new videos. If it isn't on the list, it will grab the whole transcript of the video, and with this agent it will create a new viral moment, so a new voiceover for that video. And then it will be the transcript will be split in different parts, because you can only add 50,000 tokens at once in a Google spreadsheet. And eventually the thumbnail will be analyzed with this OpenAI analyzer, and that will be also added to the spreadsheet. when I got enough data, I will just start pumping videos about this YouTuber. That's something that's just going on. And this is, I can do execute command. As you can see, this is a self-hosted Python script where I get the transcript. Because if you look this up, transcribe API, and let's see, oh wait, YouTube, like this. The cost of using services like this, and especially if you're automating it, those are insane. So for example, this YouTube API, you'll pay $40 a month for 1,000 searches. And this is, I think this was $9 for, $9 for 1,000. So yeah, it's really insane cost. And I'm just doing it, for almost for free, only paying my own hosting and my own server. So this runs every time I send it a message to my Telegram chat. It runs, and grabs a new video. So let me save that. Melting. Let me just look up something for you. Maybe that could help you. Let me check. I need to find it. I got another service that you could try. Where is it? I'm going to check because I have it somewhere over here. I hope I can find it in the stream. Otherwise, I will look it up and post it into the school. Send you a message about it because I found another motion graphic API. What was it? Motion dev, was this it? No, Melton, I will, I will look it up. I can't find it now, but I have another service. They got a great API. Do I have it somewhere here? No, I'll look it up and post it into the school community. Oh no, you saw this? Yeah. No, I don't know any Portuguese, but I am scraping from Google Maps Portuguese companies. I'm thinking about a new hook I want to try out because shot stack. Let me see. No, it was not shot stack, but
I want to build a video app that changes the world, but you...
Oh. Yeah, thanks for mentioning. No, ShotStack, it's not ShotStack. I really have to look it up. I've just put on Melton a to-do on my list to send it to you. Oh, cool, man. Cool. Yeah, no. What I'm going to do is scrape Portuguese companies. This workflow is insane. Where is it? It's this one. Yeah, it's this one. This is a Google Sheets that let me just show it, execute it. Let's run it, and it's looking for currently new. Where is it? It's over here. Okay. It's a new hotels and motels, as you can see. So the idea about this workflow is to scrape their websites, and I know that the Portuguese market. Look at this website. This they are running Google Ads, and they are a hotel. The idea is to contact them and to improve their website, just like the workflow that I'm building now for the comment on the video. So I'm reusing a lot of steps from that. So this website, this motel don't have a website. So as you can see, these are all the sorry for it, man. Got a lot of errors with the screen today. Thanks for mentioning it. I will just wait until the screen unfreezes so I can show you the Google Sheet. Yeah, it will, yeah. So these are all the categories I'm going to scrape. So as you can see, there are a lot, 250 different categories. They will all be in the results. And these are all the zip codes. You can specify, you can use zip code or just Lisbon or another place in Portugal. Okay, let's get back to, and this was what I mentioned. There's this outreach system. So we scrape their email, and then we rate the website and we send them an email. So currently running it in this folder and in this folder, and now building the Portuguese folder as well. So that's the nice thing about working with n8n. When you got a couple of workflows that you understand and you know how to operate them, you can just copy and paste them. Let's see, this is all right for today. A couple of nice things to add. Let's look at YouTube. Where is the one I need? YouTube workant. Yeah, there's something I would like to do tomorrow is to update this workflow. This is a scraper of Google News, and eventually there will be a video generated about the news topic. Let's see if everything is still working, so we can start tomorrow immediately. Nice, okay, it's working, so let me just generate the voiceover. The agent is doing his thing. The voiceover generated according to the story, and then eventually this is the voiceover. Good evening. What was the news of that we chose today? Hello, Halloween star. What's this? Right, Hallmark's Halloween theme. Okay. So this is what we. This is one of the workflows. Let's see. Another one that we recently in a live stream. This one. I'll check which one it was. Live stream. Yeah, if you want to see that workflow, this was the self-hosted tutorial. So if you're interested to self-host your n8n. No, I don't have any Discord, man. I just have this school community and WhatsApp where you can contact me. Same automation. This is my video rendering API. Let's see. Yeah, this was, if you were interested in the, let me check. So yeah, oh, it was this one. This is the workflow that I'm just going to talk about. Let me get it over here. With this workflow, you can generate long form content. So it's now built for bedtime stories, but we have adjusted in that stream it to generate horror stories. So let me, I think I have it. I can show it on my Twitter. Let's see. This is what you can generate with it. If I can find the video, oh, yeah, it's over here. This is what we.
Dying light of dusk. Ava shivered as she pressed her back against the iron door's corroded ribs. Barren brick walls hunched around her. The flicker.
Yeah, so if you're into horror stories, in that live stream, I created from this bedtime stories, two horror stories. The nice thing about it is we are working just with 3 APIs. So for this whole system, you will just need OpenRouter, full AI, and to render the video, the semi-automation API. Full AI. Yeah, if you're not familiar with full AI, you should definitely start using it. One of the best. They are the best. If you check, they got the new Google model, but they also offer Kling 2.0. The 2.1, the new model. And if we go to the, let me check, was it this one? No, was it this? I think this one. Yeah, 25 cents, just one image to video. Yeah, it's insane. But I will just give one pro tip. This is how I am building long form content videos with this automation for a 30 minutes video for $8. What I'm doing is I'm creating an image with an expensive image model, for example Flux Pro version 1.1, and then I am creating, because the images are good, with this cheap model. Let me search for it, I will show it. LTX. This one, this is 4 cents for 5 seconds video. So if you generate beautiful images, you can just use this LTX model to generate videos from your images. Yeah, never seen anybody do it like that. So just a small tip for everybody watching currently. So let me see if there is. Oh, let me just talk about this crypto workflow. Let's hope crypto will be big again. This is phase 1. So when you are going to start building a workflow, this is the first thing I always do. Just gather data. So what I'm doing over here, this is nice, I think, to show. Let me just deactivate all the nodes first, otherwise we will get, is it frozen again? Let me just do a quick, I think it's frozen again. So, okay. The screen was a bit frozen, but I think it's working again. Let me just check. Yeah, okay. It's working again. Let me show you the crypto workflow as a final step. Yeah, nice, there's the screen again. So, what we are going to do with this workflow is the following. We are going to grab the future market data. We are going to grab the open interest. We're going to grab the funding rates and get the open interest history data. We're going to get exchange data and the price data. Eventually, all those data points will be sent to an agent, and we will get the fear and greed index, the total market cap, and we will grab with the new Firecrawl search option. We'll get a query Bitcoin news. I'll just show you how that will disconnect these two. But for now, and we will, this is the most important part, we will take screenshots of charts, just like this. So what we are going to do, this is the 30-minute chart. We will send these images to AI agents that will get all these data points with an image for a specific time frame. So in this case, it's the 30 minutes time frame to make a judgment of the price will go up or down. Then we will gather all the results for maybe a month or two and backtest the results to see which agent and which LLM was the best trader of that month. After a couple of months of testing, we will then start using the workflow with real trades and see how much money we can make of it. Let's just talk about the Firecrawl search API endpoint for a second. So what I just did was entered query Bitcoin news, limit the results to 5, and scraped them. So this just this endpoint is just like you are Googling something. As you can see, this is the first item, this is the second item, this is the third item, the fourth, and there are only 4 items. Okay, we asked for 5. The nice thing about this is that there's immediately a screenshot taken. So this is the screenshot of the news. So this is a pretty cool way to even add more data points to the agent, to give it even more data to reconsider when it's making a decision if the price go up or down. So this is the first phase. Tested a lot of screenshot services, as you can see, and now we are going to the second phase, and that's something for another stream. So if there aren't any other questions, this is I'm going to end this stream. I already started with another stream before that where the screen froze. We had a little bit bad luck today with a couple of screen freezes, but nevertheless did some pretty cool stuff. Built this digital marketing workflow. It's not done yet, but what we did was created this form where when you execute the workflow, you can enter a URL. Then the URL will be mapped with the Firecrawl to get all the possible URLs. Then this agent with this system prompt will choose all these URLs from this whole list. You can add even more pages that you would like to get from the agent, and the output will be structured with this parser into this JSON item. So we will have these URLs. Then we are going to scrape them with Crawl4AI self-hosted. Then we will add them to the Google Sheet with all the data points. Then we will take a screenshot of the URL. Then it will be analyzed, and that rating will be added to the Google Sheet. Eventually we will make a aggregate node, and then this will be something like this, and we will get all the data together to send to one agent, and that will be the marketing guru agent. I will give you one more pro tip. Go to this website from Anthropic, log in, and then you will get this screen. Press generate a prompt. Make a digital marketing agent that will write data and get the rating. Something like this. This just off top of my mind, and there will be a prompt generated. That prompt we can use in our agent, like this. Define below, add a system message. Let's go to the look. This, you could write this prompt yourself, but I'm not sure if you can do it just as good as Anthropic does. So this will be the website data, the website URL, and eventually there will be a nice analysis of that data, and the agent will give it to us. We'll connect the model, Anthropic, OpenAI for now, and we could add some structured output as well, but for now just leave it like this. This is one of a possible end result of this workflow. And you can obviously customize it and add different nodes, but this is it for now. Thanks for watching. If you're looking for a small community that's still growing and need one-on-one personal help, check out the community. Just contact me on Twitter if you have any questions. For now, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, and we'll be live tomorrow as well. Going to where is it? Going to make a video about this GitHub repo, where we are going to use this GitHub repo to generate video-based AI memory. Instead of using Supabase or Postgres, we're going to set this up tomorrow. And continue build on the crypto workflow. So yeah, you can contact me. Thanks, Melting. Have a very nice evening, and maybe see you tomorrow again. Yeah, just contact me if you have any questions. You can even check out here the WhatsApp number. All right. Bye-bye.